it's me, Mama Dawn. I'm back. I had a request from my girl, Sister Maggie, and she wanted to learn how to make a tres leche cake, which is tres means three milk cake. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna have, of course, we have the sweetened condensed milk. You can get the no name like I did, y'all. The evaporated milk, and then of course it'll be whole milk, which I have over here on the side, where we're getting our 3 milks. We have sugar, 4 eggs. We have a half cup of milk, and I put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In the bowl here, I have my 1.5 cups of cake flour. Then we have a 4 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I just whisked that up, and so we're gonna put it aside. I'm gonna bake it in one of these 8x8 pans because I am making it for my girl, so she can take it home with her. And we're gonna have, I'm also gonna make a mango, a mango topping, you know, because it'd just be amazing. Anyway, so let's get started. Okay, y'all, what I'm about to do now is beat my eggs and sugar here. And I did forget to mention that you would need 2/3 cup of butter melted. And for the 3 milks, that's gonna, you know, once it gets done and I poke the holes in it and put it on top, we're actually gonna use a tablespoon of rum extract or rum, if that's what you use. So, you know, it'll give it that flavor. So, okay, right now, we're gonna start with, start with my egg. Okay. And then we want to beat these until it's pale and slightly thick. Okay, so you just want to do one at a time until it breaks up. I don't know if you can see this, it's breaking up. Okay. Now we can get started with, oh, whoops. They both fell in, you guys. It ain't going to make a difference, but anyway. Okay. Now we're going to beat this at least for 6 minutes until it's pale, and we'll be right back. You ready? Okay, we're back now. That was about 6 minutes. See how lighter it is? Looking all pretty over here. All purty. Just gonna... Dang, girl. Sorry, y'all. It's my daughter over here trying to give us some type of virus or something. Anywho. Okay. It's looking really, really nice right here. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, because I forgot to mention the 2/3 cups of melted butter, I believe. So we're going to add in, yeah, I'm washing dishes. If you saw my sink, I got water to wash these because I'm one of those crazy folks that likes to wash as soon as you know, while I'm cleaning. Hold on a minute. Let's get every drop, dang, my daughter all into it. Every drop of butter in here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to stir that up. Hold on a minute. Now, we're going to get the 4th cup of whole milk and my teaspoon of vanilla. Let me do it this way. Maybe it'll be easier for you guys to see. I'm trying to tear up my new mixer already, y'all. I think the husband loved me that much, he wanted to buy me another one. He just bought this one. Okay, you're going to turn the speed up just a little, just at 1. Now it's like at 4. Okay. Now I'm going to let this down. Now what I'm going to do, let me see. Take this here. Okay, let me move this out the way so we have more room. We're renting, so I'll have not that much space I can work with. Okay, see this? It's a really pretty color. Really pretty pale yellow. Now what I'm going to do is sift my cake flour, everything in here. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to use my mixer for this. I'm just going to do it by hand now. I don't want to over mix it, you know, so it's easier for me to do it by hand. I just get the rest of this flour. Put this over here. Now let's fold this in. Okay guys, now I got it all mixed in, see? So you see. See, this way I won't over mix it. So what I did was I got my prepared pan. Now usually if I was gonna do this for my home, I would have just gotten vegetable oil and wiped it down and then got parchment paper and put it on here, but I wouldn't have made it in this pan either. And I would just, so when it got done, I would take it out of here and take the parchment paper off and then put it on another dish or container that I was gonna make it in so it could be pretty. But since I'm actually giving it away, I just prefer to give something that's easier, to pack up. So now we're just gonna pour the batter in here. Yes, I have. I don't like that egg, sweetie girl. Hold a minute. So we're just gonna put it in here. Now once we get all the batter in here, we're gonna cook it in a preheated 350 degrees oven and cook it for 30 minutes, but also depends on your oven. So like me, I'm probably gonna check mine around 20 minutes. It's done. Just sort of shake it to get it even in here, guys. See? This recipe makes it 8 by 8, okay? And we're gonna put this in the oven. And I'm just gonna, I know I should have a pot holder. I'm just gonna cook it for 30 minutes and I'll be back.
Go ahead.
The cake is out the oven, so I have it here on the rack over here. We're gonna come and do the milk part. This is 2 cups of whole milk. This is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Just mixing it all together. Okay. There. I'm telling you guys, this condensed milk is so thick. Yeah, oh. Now, let me just stir this up. Hopefully it don't spill. I know I should have got my bigger one, but I wasn't thinking, y'all, so forgive me. Okay, we're just gonna poke holes all over the cake. Okay, my daughter's doing it slow. Here, let me help her. Because she had I got like 8 hours here. Sister is busy. I'm over here making flowers for another cake I'm doing. Yeah, I just poke holes because it's not because we're gonna have a little mango topping here. Gonna be amazing. Okay, yeah, just ignore that, y'all. Okay, Ariana. Here, I forgot we don't want to forget our extract. Yeah, I made a mess, you guys, so I had to clean it up because I wasn't thinking straight. Was not thinking straight. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is just pour this over here evenly. Yeah, you see that ain't happening, right?